It's Kitchen Courses with Kate and Eric.
Talk about some popsicles. Hi, Kate.
Hi, Eric.
It's summer.
It is summer. I'm sorry. Like, where are you going with this? Okay. It is summer. Well, it depends when you're watching this. It's summer here in Wisconsin right now. I thought of just doing something kind of light and refreshing for the end.
Sounds amazing.
I know. So I actually found a recipe of coconut milk popsicles that Rick Bayless did for Food and Wine magazine a number of years ago. And I don't know if you know Rick Bayless, but he is a very masterful chef out of Chicago who runs Frontera restaurant and does amazing Mexican cooking. And so while this is more Asian inspired, I thought that the profile with the coconut milk would just kind of add to that end of dinner fun.
So, how do we make them?
They're super easy. Like, we made them and Eric was like, is that it? So the link below, I will include the recipe for kind of 8 to 10 popsicles. Does that sound good? Or should I describe?
Yes.
Okay. So for 8 to 10 popsicles, it's doubling the recipe that you're gonna see on the screen. So it's gonna be 2 cans of coconut milk. It's gonna be a half a cup of sugar and a half a cup of lime juice, and then the zest of 1 to 2 limes, depending on how much of the zest you like. And so I just used an immersion blender to kind of blend it all up. You could throw it in kind of a blender and do the same.
A blender?
A blender instead of an immersion blender. I'm just at the moment out of a blender. Like I need to buy a blender. So you just kind of froth it all up, and then to add a little bit of like pizzazz, I just put some of the sweetened coconut in the bottom of the, kind of in the base of the coconut mold, so when you take it out, it should be on top. You pour it into a popsicle mold, and then poured the coconut milk concoction over that, and they're supposed to freeze within 1 to 2 hours, so it's a really fast thing to do too.
If you pour them in your popsicle molds and you have leftovers, what can you do with the leftovers?
So I attempted, and Eric could show you some of this, I attempted to make a drink out of it. But sadly you put way too much, you could add a little rum. I added a little too much rum. But if you added some rum, the leftover, and some ice, and you blended that up, it would be lovely. I think I added a little bit more milk to kind of thin it out, as well as a little bit of vanilla extract and a little coconut extract to kind of amp it up. And I did add more. Yeah, I added some powdered sugar to just sweeten it up a bit.
So if you don't have the patience for popsicles, you could just make a drink out of this.
You could. And it's a lovely drink with a little doctoring. After 15 minutes of like watching me pull my hair out and like make it taste good, because I was determined. Yeah. But I think the other thing about popsicles is it's like one of those things that it just keeps. So, you know, if you're having a great conversation over dinner and people aren't hungry like right away, you can just leave it in the freezer and then just kind of take it out as you're sitting and having some good conversation or playing games. I think the challenge now is I haven't used
Getting it
season 1.
out of the popsicle mold.
Is getting it out of the mold. So we've attempted to. Ooh.
No, it's just
No?
a stick.
Oh! Woo!
Okay, we gotta take a photo